is Jeff Barlett, and today I'm going to teach you one of my original songs called Until I Found Jesus. So this is actually a very simple beginner level song. You're only going to need 3 chords in this song. It's going to be an A major, a D major, and you're going to need a G major. So to get started, what you want to do is you want to start with an A major, and it's going to go, and then you switch to D major. Okay, it's very simple. That's going to be the verse. So let me give you the strumming pattern for the verse. So it's going to go from A to D. So we're going to start with A, and you're going to go down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, to D. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, back to A. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, to D. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you want to practice this until you could start speeding it up, so it should sound like this. And then you also want to practice singing along, so it should sound like this. When I was a young man, I lived in a small town. Nobody even knew me, 'cause I didn't even know myself. So practice, playing the strumming pattern and then singing along. So after you get the verse part down, we go to the chorus. You're going to need a G chord, obviously a D chord, and then an A chord. So it'll be like this. G, G, D, 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 A, G, G, D, 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 A. So let me give you the strumming pattern. G, down, down, up, to D, down, up, A, down, down, but watch the second part. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So I kind of changed the strumming pattern on the first part. So when I go, until I found Jesus, 2 strums, but then this part I do, till I made him my Lord, 1 strum. So it should sound like this. Till I found Jesus, till I made him my Lord, till I found Jesus, till I made him my Lord. So practice. One part of the chorus is 2 strums on the A, and then the other part is actually just 1 strum on the A. So now let's work on the bridge of the song. You know, the part that goes, when I chose him to be my Lord, I chose to accept him, now I can say. So, what you want to do, you're going to go from D to A. So, this part is going to go down, down, then A, down, up, to D, down, 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 up, to D again, down, down, up, to D again, down, down, and then we go back to the chorus. Till I found Jesus, till I made him my Lord. And now you know how to play Until I Found Jesus, which is an original song that I wrote. If you want to learn how to play the guitar, or if you like my original music, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and God bless.